Hi everyone. So today we'll be making aloe vera juice, okay, with just the aloe vera leaf and water. So the yellow liquid or fluid which comes out from the aloe vera leaf is so irritating to the skin, okay, and it's called aloe latex. So whenever you get your aloe vera plant or leaf, you should always soak that in the water after washing your aloe vera leaf and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes to get rid of that yellowish fluid, okay? And it's not good for making the aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. But let's quickly go through the health benefits of aloe vera because aloe vera itself, aloe vera juice, has many potential health benefits, which includes digestion. Okay, so it helps in constipation. When you're constipated and you take aloe vera juice, it's really going to help a lot. So aloe vera juice also helps in our immune system because it contains polysaccharides which can help stimulate the white blood cell. It also helps in weight loss, that is, it burns calories, okay? It's also good for the eye because it contains beta carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, okay? Aloe vera juice contains so many minerals and vitamins such as vitamin C and minerals like calcium and magnesium. Okay, anyway, let's get right into the video. So right here, I'm taking out the aloe vera gel out of the aloe vera leaf, okay? So you can just gently do that with a knife or with a spoon. You can scrape that out. But anyway, I just want to peel out the aloe vera leaf and then blend the gel. So when blending your aloe vera gel, you don't just have to blend it like that, especially if you're making a juice. You have to blend it with warm water, okay? So making aloe vera juice is not difficult. All you need is your aloe vera leaf and water. And then you have your aloe vera juice. Everyone can make it. So once you're done blending, pour that into a bowl and add more warm water because you're making a juice and you don't want this to be so thick. So I'll be adding more extra warm water into that and continue to stir it. At this point, you can add your honey, you can add sugar, but it's not necessary, okay? Since you really want to take aloe vera juice, then take it plain. So you can also introduce lime to your aloe vera juice at this point, okay? But like I said, I'm only using warm water for mine, okay? And after doing that, you just need a cup of aloe vera juice a day. You don't have to take more than that. And make sure to take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach or after dinner at night. Do not take it in between meals. Aloe vera juice is best taken first thing in the morning on an empty stomach if you really want it to work, especially for our digestive system, okay? So after adding the extra water, I have to sieve that to get rid of the extra lumps that could be there because we are making juice, right? So really want everything to be liquid and simple. So at this point, I'm adding extra warm water because I don't want it to be too thick and I want to reduce the bitterness too, okay? So feel free to add any other liquid of your choice to make it 1 full cup of aloe vera juice. But I'm using only water and that's all I have in here. So stir, 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 and our aloe vera juice is perfectly ready to be consumed, okay? Take this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and you'll come back to say thank you. Bye bye and see you in my next one. But do not forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? If you really enjoyed watching, do not forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And see you in my next one. Bye.